Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my tzatziki sauce. Okay, for this recipe I'm using half of a large cucumber and I went ahead and peel it. Next I'm going to take my box grater and grate it on the side with the biggest holes. Normally what some people would do is cut up the cucumber really small or they'll grate it this way. I have to say I've tried it both ways and I prefer it this way. Just be careful not to grate your fingers. To that I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt and I'm going to give that a good mix. What the salt will do is help draw out the water from the cucumber. You're going to set that aside for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, so now you're going to strain it. So I'm just using a cloth that I used to put my tortilla in, but you could use a towel or a cheesecloth, whatever you have. So you're just going to put your cucumber in there and squeeze out all the water. If you don't do this, it's going to make your sauce runny and you don't want that. You'll want to squeeze it as dry as you can. After I pour out the water, I'm just going to put my cucumber back in the bowl. I'm going to add 1.5 cup of Greek yogurt to that. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped dill to that, 2 cloves of crushed garlic, I'm adding the juice from half of a lemon, ¾ teaspoon of salt, and a ¼ teaspoon of black pepper. Mix that really well. Cover it and place it in a refrigerator and let it sit in there at least an hour before you serve it so all the flavors could blend. Okay, it's been an hour, so I'm going to put some in my little dish here and then I'm going to top it off with some good olive oil. Just a little drizzle, you don't need a lot. You can serve this with anything, that's up to you, but it goes really well with fresh veggies and pita chips. These pita chips were so easy to make. I didn't make them from scratch, but I made them in the oven and crisped them up and they were so good. So if you want to see how I make that, stay tuned. I love this so much because the yogurt just gives it a creamy texture and it's so full of flavor. Oh, and my favorite veggie to dip in there is the red bell pepper. That was my favorite. I don't know what it is, but it was just so good. I like the others too, but my favorite were the peppers. So if you want something different, something you've never had before, try this dip. It's so easy and so good. And it's just different and it's refreshing and cooling and it's just everything for the summer. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing and I'll talk to you next time. Take care. Bye.